Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity comes to life. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a delightful dancing baby with a doll. Let's start by sketching the outline of the baby's body, ensuring a playful pose. Next, add in the details of the face like a joyful smile and sparkling eyes. Now, let's add the baby's tiny hands holding the doll, creating a heartwarming moment. Don't forget to add some cute clothing details. As we finish up the baby, let's move on to the drawing the doll, making it as adorable as can be. Add in intricate features like the doll's dress and facial expression. Find add some vibrant colors to bring your drawing to life. Join us on Inspire Art Linking as we dive into the world of drawing. In this step by step tutorial, we will guide you through creating a lively scene of a dancing baby with a beloved doll. From sketching the playful poses to add vibrant colors, you will learn all the techniques needed to bring this heartwarming moment to life on paper. Follow along and unleash your creativity with us. And there you have it, a charming dancing baby with a doll. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring art tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.